Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning 10 words from letter G. Gloves, G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. Gate, G-A-T-E, gate. Giraffe, G-I-R-R-A-F-E, giraffe. Gold, G-O-L-D, gold. Gift, G-I-F-T, gift. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Gun, G-U-N, gun. Glue, G-L-U-E, glue. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Bye bye kids. See you next time with letter H. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning 10 words from letter H. Hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Hut, H-U-T, hut. Hanger, H-A-N-G-E-R, hanger. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. House, H-O-U-S-E, house. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Bye bye kids. See you next time with letter I.